We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We're making herby cauliflower salad with chickpeas. This salad tastes amazing and lasts in the fridge for days, making this perfect for make-ahead meals. Let's start with the cauliflower. We remove the core and any leaves. Then we cut or pull the cauliflower into tiny florets. By making them so small, the salad dressing has a chance to get into every nook and cranny. If when making the florets there's any stalk that's left over, simply chop it up into small pieces and add to the bowl. Before moving on to the other salad ingredients, we season the cauliflower with salt and pepper. This makes sure that the cauliflower tastes amazing even before adding the dressing. Next, we need some herbs. We use a lot. Here, we've got parsley and dill, but other fine herbs like cilantro, chives, and mint work too. To make the salad extra satisfying, we like to add chickpeas. You can use canned or home-cooked chickpeas. There's a recipe for cooking dried chickpeas on the blog. Now for the simple salad dressing, start by zesting a large lemon and then juice it. Add olive oil, a pinch of red pepper flakes, and some salt. Then whisk until well blended. Don't forget, as always, the full recipe is on Inspired Taste. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss really well. Then to take the salad to the next level, we add chopped pickled onions. They add a little sweetness to the salad that we both love. Pickled onions are simple to make yourself and last in the fridge for weeks. We add them to everything. Think sandwiches, tacos, and even salads. We have shared a recipe on Inspired Taste showing you how to make them. Now we set the salad aside in the fridge for at least 30 minutes before eating. It gets better and better over time. In fact, I prefer this on day 2. And that's it, surprisingly delicious cauliflower salad. We hope you try it. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.